Hello, this is Math 1120, Math for Ultrasound, coming to you from the College of DuPage for the fall of 2020, and this is the first of many content contributions that you will get. As a mindset, I'm going to encourage you to keep calm and take a deep breath. I've taught this course many times, and many students have been successful. In fact, the students not only survive, most of them thrive. So you'll be okay if you do what I ask you to do and work hard and do your best. And I would say the same thing about what my colleague who's working with us on this course, Linda, also asks you to do and suggests that you do. So keep calm, take a deep breath. You're going to be fine. There are two big parts of this course. I talked about that on an earlier video. We do statistics first, and then we'll do physics. Many of the videos I'm going to point you at come from a statistics site, and this URL right here is where you go to find that site. So you type this into your browser, and you go here, and what will come up is a list of 21 videos. In this first contribution, I'm going to ask you to look at the first 5 of these videos. Now these are very well done. They're somewhat dated, but I will guarantee you the math has not changed. And so what you do is you watch and study these videos. It will talk about generally what is statistics. We'll talk about 2 very different kinds of displays that I will ask you to understand: stem plots and histograms. It'll talk about the concepts of measures of center, the mean, median, and mode. And it'll also talk about quartiles, maxes and mins, and a measure of center called the median, and that is another graphical display called a box plot. So that's the scope of what we're looking at there. Again, these are available. You can watch them multiple times, but watch them once now. If you don't have the book yet, that's kind of okay. The bookstore is a bit of a challenge, but that does correspond with some of the material that is in the book that is part of the e-text, and or if you rent the book or something like that, don't worry if you don't have it. Again, keep calm. You will be fine. But this stuff that I've outlined corresponds to this section 1.1. It corresponds to all of Chapter 2, dealing with organizing and summarizing data. That's what the box plots and so on and so forth are like. And the measures of central tendency, that video corresponds with Section 3.1. So that's kind of what we're following in the text. It is important to me for there to be some kind of assessment happening. And so I am giving you something that I am going to expect you to turn in. And this will be due by 11:30 p.m. August 31st. And you're going to put this into the Blackboard Assessment tab. And so that's something that you want to go there, see where it is. But you want to do the work first, because all I'm really looking for is you putting an answer in there. But I would like for your answer to be correct. The problem has to do with computing a weighted grade point average at the College of DuPage, and you're to post your answer in Blackboard again before midnight, 11:30 p.m. on August 31st, 1 week from today. So anyway, here's a hypothetical student, and his name is Hypothetical Herbie, and his first semester grades at COD are listed here. And so you see he took a bunch of different courses and got these grades. I'm going to ask you, what is his weighted grade point average? I'm going to give you a little guidance here that, you have to understand what is a weighted grade point average. How do you compute a grade point average? That may be something you know how to do. That may be something you figure out how to do. You'll have to do a little bit of research figuring out what are these courses, because you have to know how many hours are involved in them. And you also have to then apply these grades and do a calculation. When I show you the solution to this, what I'm going to do is I am going to use Excel because Linda and I are going to work to try to establish some Excel skills amongst you. One of my former students, in fact, sought me out and told me that the Excel she learned in this class was one of the best things about the class. In closing for now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math. It will make you strong. So you want to begin on this as soon as you can. Take care of yourself and of each other. And stay calm. God bless you all.